Hi everybody, it's Carol with Refunction Crafts, and today's the day we're going to pick our winner of my 12,000 Subbie giveaway. And this is the prize that I will be sending the winner. Again, this was a giveaway for US-based subscribers, and I apologize for that, you guys. I am working at trying to make it so that I can include everyone in my drawings for my giveaways. So I just want to let you guys know that I am working on that. I'm going to start putting money aside so that if I do get a winner that is from another country, then they are also going to be able to win. It's quite expensive to ship outside of the country, as you guys well know, and it's something that I can't really afford to do on a regular basis. I don't even sell in my Etsy shop to other countries because of that, because I know that sometimes the shipping ends up being more than the actual piece is worth. So you're not going to get a lot of buyers if they have to pay everything out in shipping, and yeah, so that's why. But anyway, this is what we will be giving away, and you can see, let me come up a little bit closer so I can show you some of the details. This has got these beautiful acrylic bead dangles. It's got these lace dangles on it at the bottom. And this piece here, this tassel, is something I added actually after I did my last video. And I meant to put this tassel on it in that video, and as I looked up after I finished the video, I looked up and I realized I'd had it hanging right here ready to put on, but I had forgotten about it. So I did add that after the video tutorial was done, but I figured you guys wouldn't mind because it absolutely makes a difference in the piece. And so this is covered in lots of beautiful lace pieces that I've gotten mostly from Happy Mail, from some of my subscribers that have been so generous to me, and it's a conglomeration of all of those beautiful things all into one beautiful piece. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pan out just a little bit. We are going to use a program called YouTube Comment Picker to pick the winner. And so for everybody who made comments and gave the video a thumbs up that I announced my giveaway in, hopefully you guys all got a chance to make your comments, and I actually gave you guys an extra week because my my SD card reader, the card got jammed into my computer. My laptop had fallen, and it got jammed into the laptop and ruined my card reader. So I spent some time trying to figure out, okay, now how am I going to do this? How am I going to make videos? How am I going to be able to go on? And then I found out I could get a USB adapter, which I did. I got an adapter and I got a new SD card, and it works beautifully because I'm able to do my videos now. In fact, a video I put out today was one that I did sort of as a test video to make sure that this was all going to work. And that video I made these beautiful, beautiful roses. These are my ribbon roses. And so I made these in that video, and they turned out absolutely amazing. Look at these roses, you guys. They're just gorgeous. I love these. And so I'm making a whole bunch of these roses and putting them in this little tub here so that I have a bunch of them to use in my projects. And then, so that works now. And so then I decided, okay, next video I need to do is my giveaway. And then I'm going to do a video on my 2025 and 2026 calendar booklets. I did find some more of those, so I'm going to be working on those for you guys. I'm going to make some for my Etsy shop. I had already made a couple of them, and I'll show them to you in my video when I do it. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that as well, and I've been working on so much stuff, you guys. I'm also going to do a video. I've got some pendants that I'm going to be making using my resin and stuff, and these are going to be gorgeous, you guys. So stay tuned for that. So I'm going to be doing that as well. I'll probably be doing the pendant video first and then the books. But anyway, so I need to go get my phone. I totally forgot to get my phone and bring it in here so that I can do the winner. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab my phone. Okay, you guys, so I've got my phone, and you can see I've got the YouTube giveaway, and this is a comment picker program I use. I buy, each time I buy a, they call it a jewel, in order to pick a winner for a video. So, everybody who made comments to the initial video that I did announcing the giveaway will be in this comment picker. And what I do is I'm going to hit, I've put the URL for the video here, and okay, and then I'm going to hit go. And it's showing me the video that I chose, and I'm going to confirm that is the correct video. And the number of winners is going to be 1, not 3. And so I've changed it to 1. Specific keyword and comment, we're not using a keyword, and we're only counting each user 1 time. So if you've made 3 comments, you're only going to be pulled 1 time for the comment picker. And here we go. We're going to start the giveaway, and good luck, everybody. And our winner is Cindy at Cindy Allen 1405. And congratulations, Cindy. I know who Cindy is. And I will be getting this out to you within the next 2 weeks. Probably, I'm going to say, actually probably by the end of this upcoming week, next week. So, congratulations, Cindy. This is awesome. I'm excited for you, and I know you'll be excited to win this. And yay! Yay, Cindy. Everybody, please give Cindy a congratulations. Even in these giveaway videos, I need your comments. I need your thumbs ups. I need to know if you like these giveaways. Do you want me to do more of them? Or do you think they're silly? Because if you guys aren't enjoying the giveaways, then I won't do them, but I'm pretty sure most of you do, but I need to know that. So make your comments, and let me know that you guys really think, you know, this is a worthwhile thing. Do you like the prizes that I give away? I try to give away some of my nicest things usually when I do my giveaways. So hopefully you guys enjoy them, and I would like to know that in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. You guys are helping me to get new YouTube subscribers, and it means the world to me. So anyway, everybody, please tell Cindy congratulations. It's so awesome that she won. And yeah, so Cindy, you need to PM me your address so that I can mail you your wonderful prize here. And I will get on mailing that within the next couple of weeks. I'm pretty sure you'll probably get back to me fairly quickly, so that'll be great, and we will be all set. So you guys, congratulate Cindy on her win, and we will do another one of these at 13,000 subscribers, and we're already at 12,400, if you can believe that, almost 12,400. So yeah, we're getting there real quick. So thanks a lot, you guys, for playing along and being a part of my giveaway, and I hope you enjoyed it. be here for the next one, and stay tuned for my other videos that I'm working on, because I am doing the 20, 25, and 26 calendar booklets that I'm going to be doing. I'm doing a few of those to put in my Etsy shop, and I'm also doing these little pendants, and so yeah, I'm going to be doing those 2 videos hopefully today to get them done so I can put up, keep my channel going and keep these videos going. Thankfully now I can do my videos again, so I'm super excited about that. So anyway, thanks a lot, you guys. God bless to every one of you. Stay amazing. You know you're all amazing to me. Be kind, be safe, be well, take care of yourselves, and love your family. Thanks a lot, you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.